Today we are going to discuss the next point regarding the lesson, that is what makes India a federal country. So there are 3 points. The very first point, the constitutional originally provided for the two-tier system of government. As we discussed before, that we are having the two tier of a government. First one, it is known as a union government, or we can call it as a central government, and the second one, it is the state government. Means state government and the central government, these are the two tiers of government which makes India a federal country. Second one, later on, after some amendments, a third tier of a federalism was added in form of a panchayat and municipalities. Means the third type of government which is added over there, that is the local government, and the power is also shared to the local government. And the third thing which we can see, the constitution clearly provides the threefold distribution of legislative powers between the union government and the state government. Means the constitution clearly stated that the state and the central have the different legislative powers on which they are going to make the laws. So there are some list that which we are going to see it afterwards. So the first list is union list. It includes the subject of national importance, as we can say foreign affairs, banking, communication and currency. They are included in this list, union list, and because we need a uniform policy on these matters throughout the country. The union government alone can make the laws regarding to the subject mentioned in the union list. Means the central government will make the laws based on the foreign affairs, defense of the country, banking, telecommunications and the currency. So the union government, or you can say the central government, is responsible to make the laws based on this subject. The second list is state list, which contains the subject of a state and local importance such as police, trade, commerce, agriculture and irrigation. Means each state, it is in India, they will make the laws in regards with the police, the trade, commerce, agriculture and irrigation on their convenience. So this is a second type of list. The next type of list, it is concurrent list. It includes the subject of common interest to both of, means the union government as well as the state government. Means central government and state government will together make the laws based on the subject like education, forest, trade unions, marriages, adoption and succession, and both the unions as well as the state government can make the laws on the subject mentioned in this list. So this is the third list in regard with central government as well as the state government. Both are responsible to make the laws regard with the subject which is mentioned here. So after this three list, one more question arises. What about the subject that do not fall in any of the three lists, or the subject like computer software that came up after the constitution was made? So according to our constitution, the union government has the power to legislate on these the residuary subject. Means this is the fourth type of list, that is come to know as the residuary subject list, which deal with such a subject.